喂，大家好，今日2023年3月3號晏晝4點23分啊，咁啊呢個尖沙咀嗰單火警呢，我諗大家都留意到啦。我就尋晚就好有幸喺嗰度附近，咁呢我仲即刻 upload 咗呢 video。咁呢樣火呢，有一個幾特別嘅嘢呢，我發現到呢，我睇 video 都有睇到，而呢啲今日嘅新聞呢都有講到嘅。佢個火呢，佢哋呢就係話喺頂樓度開始嘅喎。頂樓開始嘅，咁我都見到呢，佢係喺頂樓開始，但係其實嚴格嚟講呢，我就感覺呢，似乎嗰個呢係個天台嚟嘅，就因為啲火呢就明顯係飆咗出嚟。如果你話佢係圍住咗呢，就你話所謂一個頂樓呢，應該就唔係咁嘅。我覺得就係嗰啲火呢，當時係高過嗰個樓層嘅，所以應該係喺天台嘅。咁啊，媒體好多講係頂樓。咁啊，呢個咧有啲奇怪呢，就因為點解呢？你喺夜晚11點鐘發生呢，點解會喺嗰度會有啲火種嘅呢？咁啊，當然你冇火種，你唔會燒啊嘛啲嘢嚇。咁啊，當然啦，嗰度係有啲好多即係建築材料啦。當時因為呢棟樓呢都已經係起咗一段時間㗎啦。咁啊，可能本來就話舊年落成，咁而家可能係遲到今年或者點樣，咁可能係做緊啲內部嘅嘢。所以因為有咁樣呢，有啲即係木板啊嗰啲咁樣嚇。咁你初嘅時候呢，你起樓應該就石屎塱同鋼嘅啫嘛，咁嗰啲係應該燒唔着噶嘛嚇。咁因為建築雜物咧，即係建築嗰啲裝修物料啊，應該係屬於一種或者我諗係佢喉啊諸如此類嗰啲嘢，總之嗰啲會燒着嘅嘢啦，唔係純粹鋼嘅嘢。咁呢，我就突然間諗起啦，你而家喺個天台度呢，即係如果有一啲物料嘅話，因為嗰棟大廈呢又好過癮喎。前一排呢咪有一個就好出咗名，就俾人拉咗嘅，就話。喺個鐵路嘅嗰個即係東鐵係嘛，嗰度車頂嗰度呢，嗰個即係玩啲即係極限遊戲嗰啲咁樣啊。咁個人啊俾人拉咗，咁佢其中一個 shoot 呢，就應該好似就喺呢棟大廈個天正度，我唔敢肯定，好似係。咁啊呢棟大廈呢，人即係唔知係咪保安疏忽啊？但係亦都因為有個問題呢，因為如果你話天台呢，咁我突然間諗起呢，香港呢，其實你啲即係好多衛星相啊嘛。衛星相呢，你一睇呢就會睇到呢香港邊啲天台呢係起緊嘢，或者有雜物嘅。因為其實而家呢啲香港啲數據呢，好多呢都係好即係公開嘅嚇，或者啲物流公司啊邊度幾時有啲好多雜物好多建築物料送咗去邊個地盤啊？我諗啲應該唔係好容易，唔係好難啊，即係都唔使話內邊嘅人講出嚟都已經知道。好啦，咁我呢個呢，就突然間就揾咗呢一啲呢，就原來真係呢。你睇下以前呢，就係有唔係以前1-2年，咁啊有啲人呢個無人機呢，就去攻擊佢嗰個即係毒販啊，墨西哥毒販呢，嗰啲附近嘅嗰啲敵人呢，嗰啲嘅即係佢對家啦嚇，嗰啲咁嘅地方喎咁樣。呢家個咁嘅無人機喎，咁呢個就烏克蘭啊莫洛托夫呢個即係雞尾酒炸彈嘅即係嚇。即係投放器嘅一個嗱，呢個我哋即係你喺YouTube 網上咧，直頭揾到喎呢段咁嘅 video，我播俾大家聽下。係一個咁嘅你去整啲莫洛托夫呢啲雞尾酒手榴彈啦嚇，即係燃燒彈啦，就係呢個黑暴嘅時候香港都有啊嚇。其實一隻咁嘅嘛嗱，佢鉗住呢個咁嘅嘢。咁跟住咧喺入面放，我諗呢個道理係好簡單嘅，咁即係佢呢個就一燒咁嘅，但係呢個莫洛托夫就係一個一樽嘢啦。但係原來咧就係一啲好細嘅咧嘅無人機咧，好細嘅。你睇下啲個無人機咧可以細到咁嘅。
During Operation Herrick in Afghanistan in 2013, the British Brigade Reconnaissance Force at Camp Bastion had a secret advantage over the Taliban, and it fit in the palm of their hands. The Black Hornet Nano Unmanned Air Vehicle was designed by Prox Dynamics to provide support for individual soldiers and squads on the ground, and it revolutionized the way the British approached the conflict. The tiny, undetectable helicopter was able to execute reconnaissance missions and provided situational awareness and safety for the troops, who could then plan accordingly.
其實咧就因為香港咧，你其實嗰啲嘢咧就好公開啦，呢個就比較民用啊，好大價。咁但係即係其實相對嚟講係大價啦，鉗得住支啤酒啊。咁但係咧，其實你話咧頭先我一個講嘅咁細嘅一個好似喺手上面咧就已經放得到嘅嘢咧， 咁咧你就可以咧，其實一個火種，因為星星之火，但係即係有啲人都話點煙頭
With the Norwegian-made drone, the soldiers could tell terrorists apart from local civilians with ease and find weapon warehouses. Remarkably, the micro-UAV could zoom into someone's face and hold still until the suspect was identified, and the person would never know the Black Hornet was even there.
可能放上去咁就你知道你邊度有啲咩嘅建築工地啊，有啲咁嘅物料喺度咧，就掉啲嘢落去燒一燒。咁你因為你有外邊嘅圍網啊嘛，如果你建築工地，大家都知道。
Power to go.
係嘛？建築工地有圍網嘅圍網，咁一燒咁就可以成個就 span 開，因為
Crux Dynamics is a Norwegian technological firm based in Asker. Founded in 2007, the company set out to, quote, develop, produce, and sell the world's smallest and most advanced personal reconnaissance system, or PRS. And they succeeded. The PD-100 Black Hornet is a nano unmanned air vehicle that does not exceed 4 by 1 inches, roughly the size of a child's toy. The drone was especially designed to fit in one hand and weighs just over half an ounce, including batteries. The project was part of a £20 million contract for 160 units with Marlborough Communications Limited in Surrey, England. As the developer stated on its website, quote, we create innovative solutions to complex problems based on modern microelectronics, new sensor technology, creative mechanical design, and efficient low-cost production techniques. We work closely with industry-leading partners and a broad customer base to deliver optimal and functional products that meet operators' needs. The drone's primary purpose is to provide ISR support, or intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance to armed forces, particularly in sensitive and mission-critical operations. But above all, the micro-military UAV aims to save the lives of frontline soldiers, both in its active combat role or in search and rescue operations in complex scenarios, as well as protect civilians in war-torn areas. As a PRS, the Black Hornet provides non-specialist dismounted soldiers with immediate covert situational awareness, and the compact drone serves as a bridge between aerial and ground-based sensors, featuring the most advanced EQ and IR technology. In addition, the Black Hornet has game-changing innovations that include the same SA as larger UAVs and threat location capabilities for unmanned ground vehicles. Moreover, the tiny rotorcraft is not only light, but nearly silent, with a top speed of 13 miles per hour. Also, its flight time reaches 25 minutes, while transmitting real-time full-motion video and HD still images back to the operator. Notably, an operator can be trained to handle the Black Hornet in merely 20 minutes. Zoom in. A squad-level technological platform, the Black Hornet provides immediate covert situational awareness to minimize collateral damage, and it can discern and identify threats while remaining undetected. Plus, it increases its unit's speed and expands maneuver options. The nano drone also shows extraordinarily low visual and audible signatures as a covert airborne sensor due to its quiet electric motors. And it extends visual range in complex and urban environments, enabling dismounted soldiers to rapidly engage targets beyond visual line of sight and conduct real-time weapon effectiveness assessments. The micro-aerial vehicle comes with a set of 3 cameras. The first is looking forward, the second straight down, and the third is angled in between at 45 degrees. The footage is then sent to a handheld terminal where it can be displayed and analyzed while giving the operator full control over the vehicle. Remarkably, the device does not store any data, an advantage in case of capture. Instead, the footage is stored directly on the handheld device. In addition, the UAV can be manually steered by the operator or fly itself when given fixed waypoints. Provided with reliable imagery, soldiers can peer around corners or over walls and various obstacles and identify hidden threats which might endanger ground personnel. Meanwhile, the drone remains connected to the operator at all times through GPS and is controlled with a joystick. The Black Hornet set contains 2 identical drones, synchronized in terms of charging time and hovering time. 25 minutes is simultaneously the time it needs to reach 90% battery charge and its deployment time. As such, one of the pair can be recharged while the other is out in the field. The combat-proven, pocket-sized, revolutionary system can be easily transported on patrol and is capable of performing in harsh environments and challenging weather conditions. Plus, it is launched from a compact box that can be comfortably strapped to a utility belt. Deployment. Perfectly designed to blend in with the muddy grey walls of Afghanistan, the Black Hornet first saw use with the UK's Brigade Reconnaissance Force at Camp Bastion during Operation Herrick. British troops were the first to use the state-of-the-art nano-surveillance drones, with 324 examples in service as of October 2013. Sergeant Christopher Petherbridge detailed at the time, quote, "Black Hornet is definitely adding value, especially considering the lightweight nature of it. We use it to look for insurgent firing points and check out exposed areas of the ground before crossing, which is a real asset. It's very easy to operate and offers amazing capability to the guys on the ground." The tiny remote control helicopter played a vital role in the fight against the Taliban and gave British soldiers an edge over the terrorists. Major Adam Foden noted, quote, "Black Hornet is a game-changing piece of kit. Previously, we would have had to send soldiers forward to see if there were any enemy fighters hiding inside a set of buildings. Now we are deploying Black Hornet to look inside compounds and to clear a route through enemy-held spaces. It has worked very well, and the pictures it delivers back to the monitor are really clear, and Black Hornet is so small and quiet that the locals can't see or hear it." Likewise, the U.S. Army sought a capable nano-UAV for individual squads as part of the Soldier-Borne Sensors, or SBS, program. Then, after looking at commercially viable small-scale drones for the Cargo Pocket Intelligence, Surveillance, and Reconnaissance program, the Natick Soldier Research, Development, and Engineering Center selected the PD-100. However, the existing UAV required refinements for its future role in the U.S. Army, including changes in the data link configuration, night vision capabilities, and improved navigation. In late 2014, Prox Dynamics unveiled a night vision version of the Black Hornet. The new model was fitted with long-wave infrared video sensors on top of the daylight-capable ones, which could transmit video streams of high-resolution photographs through a data link at a maximum range of 1 mile. The new model was trialed with American troops at an event the following year, and in June, the manufacturer delivered an enhanced miniature helicopter for Special Forces. The U.S. Marine Corps Special Operations teams deployed the Black Hornet that same year, but at $195,000 per individually handmade unit, the drone was considered too expensive for large-scale deployment. In contrast, British Minister for Defence Equipment, Support and Technology, Philip Dunn, stated, quote, "Intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance systems are a key component in our 10-year equipment plan, and now that we have balanced the defense budget, we're able to confidently invest in these kinds of cutting-edge technologies." Still, the Black Hornet was slowly withdrawn from service in Afghanistan through 2016 and 2017, but the sophisticated miniature helicopter kept conquering the international market. FLIR Systems acquired Prox Dynamics in 2016 for $134 million, and the Black Hornet has found its way into numerous armies across the world, including the United States, France, the United Kingdom, Germany, Australia, Turkey, Norway, the Netherlands, Poland, New Zealand, and India. Over 3,000 examples have been delivered to this day, and they are currently in use